Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we're going to check out the top features of the Lenovo IdeaPad 5 laptop. This laptop comes powered by 11 Gen Core i5 processor with 8GB of RAM, and you get dual storage options that offer different kind of functionalities and improved performance. So let's get started with the top features of this laptop. So the IdeaPad 5 laptop gets a 14-inch Full HD screen, and it's got this anti-glare screen, which means that even when you have light reflecting at the back of the screen, you can easily see it without any kind of distraction, and it is quite pleasing for the eyes because it doesn't strain a lot. Now in terms of the power capabilities, it is powered by 11 Gen Intel Core i5 processor with 8GB of RAM, and you get 1TB hard disk drive and 256GB SSD. With SSD you get improved performance for quick startup time, and apps load and programs load much faster, while the hard disk drive primarily gives you more storage space so that you can keep more data on a day-to-day basis. Now in addition to this, it gets USB-C with power delivery, so that means you can charge mobile devices and other devices which supports power delivery support, and you can do that through this laptop. Then you have the standard Lenovo adapter port that works on the right hand side of this, and you just need to connect that port to this laptop and the other side to the power source so that you can charge it. It supports fast charging, so that's a good thing, so it will charge in very quick time, and you don't really have to wait a long time for this to be charged so that you can unplug it all the time. In addition to this, it also has Intel Iris graphics card. So the built-in Iris card with the 11 Gen Core i5 processor is the Iris X graphics card, and this is not going to be heavy in terms of your performance for gaming, but it is going to do pretty much what you expect from a day-to-day basis kind of a notebook, and it's going to meet all your needs that you need on a regular basis. In addition to this, the trackpad is much wider. The screen itself, even though it's 14-inch, you will probably feel that it's much wider, and that's a good thing because it brings you an immersive viewing experience. And then you have the keypad over here, which has this nice textured feeling. Also, it has this nice tactile feedback that it offers with the kind of button that it has. And then you have the power button at the top. When you press it, it turns on, and right underneath is the audio speaker that is powering the laptop for enhanced audio experience. In addition to this, it also has a privacy shutter button on the webcam. So now webcams are used quite extensively these days, and it could turn out to be a privacy concern, which is why Lenovo has done is that they're offering this privacy shutter button. So you just need to shut the button down and the camera will be closed, and it will not be able to access anything around in your surroundings even when you've turned it on. It also supports Dolby Audio technology, so that means that the audio experience is going to be much better than most laptops that you get in this price range. In terms of connectivity now, you have a slew of connectivity ports on both the sides. We already talked about the power adapter on the right. Then you have the USB Type-C for power delivery charging. Then you have the HDMI port to connect it to a display source, and then you have the headphone jack, because if you want to use wired earphones, then you can do that as well. Now on the right hand side, you have two USB ports, as well as you have the SD card slot. Now let's say if you want to transfer data from a DSLR camera which has an SD card support, so you just plug it in over here and you can access whatever data there is on this laptop itself. In terms of other things that we can talk about this laptop, it isn't very heavy, and just because it doesn't have an optical drive, it makes it quite comfortable. And even though Lenovo hasn't done a lot of work with its design, it's kept it plain and simple, and somehow we kind of like it because the simplicity might work for a lot of people out there who are looking for a laptop in this price range. So by offering the 11 Gen Core i5 laptop with 8GB of RAM, Lenovo is giving you IdeaPad with the latest available hardware in the market. You get dual storage options, which improves the overall performance and gives you more data space as well. In addition to that, you have this privacy button for the camera, which makes sure that the camera is closed whenever you're not using it. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.